In this video we're going to install a new rear wheel bearing into a 914 control arm. There it is, the star of the show, Mr. 545495 AD, fresh out of the freezer. We freeze them so that they can fit into the tight tolerances of the control arm. Makes it a little easier to put them in. So, brand new, nice new seal, and we have a little bit of a dimpled edge here, and I like to drop that into the control arm. So what we do, we have our clean control arm, we put that little dimpled edge down in, and here's a tricky part. You got to make sure that it drops in there straight, because what we're going to do is we're going to press the arm down around it. So first, we tap it in with a rubber mallet, kind of going all around, but you have to watch it because it's at an angle as it sits. So keep watching and make sure that it's straight on the sides, straight crossed, so straight from that side to that side. Got to make sure that it's straight going in there. Get it started straight. Once it's started, you can see here it's straight in there. We're going to take it over to the shop press, and we're actually going to press the arm down onto the bearing. Okay, so to do this, we're going to put it on the press plate and push it down. And we'll need, again, a suitable drift. This little tool, you can see inside here, that's the area we want to press. This little tool here is what we're going to drop in there and use to press the arm down onto the bearing. This is the best way to install a split race bearing without damaging these expensive bearings before you even get started. Right tools, just presses right down in there. Okay, when we're done here, you'll see that this area should be flush with the surface. If not, don't worry too much. We're going to put the cap on, and then we're going to torque it down with our little fasteners. Freshly plated cap, nice new fasteners with lock washers underneath, and away we go. Get them all started by hand, and then you tighten them up. Not too tight, because we're really only going to torque these down to about 18 foot-pounds with the torque wrench. So get them started by hand, and then we'll come in here with a 13 millimeter. And I like to run in a cross pattern, okay? So up to the top, down to the bottom corner, back across up to the top. And don't tighten them down too tight. Just make sure they're snug. And then we're going to introduce Mr. Torque Wrench. 18 pounds, that's 15 plus 3. Torque them down in the same cross pattern. And voila, you're done. Shop press makes it easy.